Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's JJ. Today we're gonna talk about a topic of Axie Infinity. Basically, if you are in the channel itself, previously I've made a video about talking this getting WETH to Ronin without causing a bomb, and after that you can save like 40% of this, blah blah blah. But of course, on this video itself, we're gonna talk about this update about Axie Infinity, the Katana update itself. I would say that this update itself is gonna save you 100% on fees. I mean it, and after that I would say that you're gonna pay $0 for SLP towards WETH, and after that I would say this is a game changer, and we are gonna talk about it all. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, before we always jump into any topic, I'd like to introduce you to my Discord channel, which I'm humbling basically building a small Discord channel, and after that from there hopefully you guys can join me, and after that from there we can basically share contents, and after that from there grow together, and of course hopefully find financial freedom all together. And after that, if you want to join, just use the link down below on the description, and from there have a read on the rules and verification whatever it's called. And after that from here, just click on the thumbs up and you will be able to access all the channel over here. And of course, for my channel itself, I will basically do the announcement, and you can just have it have a read and catch it up. And after that from there, we're gonna jump into the topic right now. What is Axie Infinity for those who are new to the channel? Alright, so for this is a beginner, basically if you are new to this Axie Infinity topic, you do not know what is it, I'm just gonna do a quick overview. So on my channel itself, there's a playlist. If you want to know more about it, it's gonna pop up. And over there you can learn more about what is Axie Infinity. That I've done basically Axie Infinity stuff on this playlist itself. And of course on Axie Infinity, basically it's a very simple to understand game. It's the play to earn game. Basically you need to buy this thing called the Axie. It's the pet, and after that from there you can use it to grind, and after that you achieve SLP by playing the game, and after that from there you can convert your SLP into real cash, and after that from there you can basically issue out scholarships and blah blah blah. So basically this game you play, you will earn money, and this is very simple to understand. So right now we're gonna jump into the topic. Basically it's the Katana update. What is it all about? So over here, if you want to basically I'm gonna link this article down below, and after that from there you can see the Katana, the Ronin DEX is live, and after that from here, this is why is this so hype itself. I will say that I'm just gonna explain it to you later on the why is it a game changer. So basically what is this Katana update is very simple. On Axie Infinity itself, they have developed their own chain called the Ronin chain, and after that from there it is somehow the addresses look like this. Basically it's a Ronin dot blah blah blah. Basically it's a ERC. It's compared to Ethereum itself, it's almost the same. They are using almost the same address and stuff like this. It's just a smart contract platform on the Ronin network for you to basically interact with your Axie Infinity stuff. And after that from there, the transaction fee transaction itself, every day you are able to send up to 100 transactions for free, and after that subsequent after your 100 transaction itself, you need to pay something called a RON, and after that from there, the RON is like Ethereum running. Basically you need to have RON to fuel your transaction after the 100 transaction is completed and stuff like this. So over here, what is this update all about is very simple. For our launch, basically for the launch itself, you can now trade between Axie, the AXS token, and after that SLP, USDC, and of course WETH. So over here, this over here is going to be you are able to access these products by trading it on the Ronin exchange using the DEX. So we are going to talk about what is this DEX. So over here for DEX, what is this DEX? Is very simple to understand. Basically it's a decentralized exchange running on the Ronin network itself, and after that from there you can do a lot of magical stuff on a decentralized exchange, meaning you do not need to submit your KYC, you do not need to sign up an account, you just need to have a Ronin address to interact with the decentralized exchange. And of course, if let's say you are using Binance or whatsoever, you can also access Binance ecosystem with their Binance DEX, and after that from there you can basically trade currency over there without submitting your what is that called, your documentation, or basically expose your identity, and after that from there you can trade like a whale. And of course nobody know who is the address behind it unless you broadcast it to the world. And after that we are going to talk about how can you receive this thing called a free RON. Alright, so what is this free RON? Basically we already talked about it. The RON token itself is like Ethereum. So basically if you are interacting with the Ethereum blockchain, you will need to have Ethereum to fuel transaction. And of course for Ronin itself, they are providing a free 100 transaction per day. And after that from there, if let's say you are going to be a trader on the decentralized exchange, and after that from there you are going to trade on your SLP towards WETH, or either way, or towards the USDC, you'll be trading a lot. And after that from there you will need to basically acquire this token called a RON, and after that from there over here they are not doing a pre-sale slash they are not doing any fundraising for this RON token itself. Please do not get scammed, of course. So over here, please note that there's no RON for sales. Do not get scammed. It's very common, the crypto space, people love to scam people. And after that, I would say that over here, how do you basically receive this free RON itself is very simple. Over here, you need to basically join the liquidity pool, and after that, if let's say you know what is a liquidity pool, you will understand what is all of this terminology. If you do not know, please go and search on my channel, or let's say if I did not make a video, you can search on YouTube what is a liquidity provider. So it's very simple. You need to basically the rewards that they are offering right now is on AXS to Ethereum, SLP to Ethereum. So over here on these two pair itself, if let's say you are on the Ronin network itself, if you click on farm itself, you can see that first of all you need to add liquidity. So how do you do it? It's very simple. Add liquidity. Basically they do it like this. WETH to AXS. So over here, let's say if you put in, you would have to put equal amount. So over here is 50-50. So over here, if you put in 1 Ethereum, you need to put at least 30 point something AXS, and after that, from there you need to approve your transaction. And once you approve the transaction itself, you will basically get this token called the LP token, the liquidity provider token. And once you receive that token itself, you will see the pool over here. And after that, the next thing you need to do is head over to the farm. Once you're on the farm itself, select AXS to WETH, click on it, and after that, from there you can provide liquid. You can basically, there's a button for you, just click on it, you can deposit your funds in, and once you've deposited your funds in, you will start generating this thing called the WRON, the WAP RON, and after that, from there you can basically have the RON token itself, and after that, from there they might be able to trade on the other exchange for some reason, if let's say they want to launch it. And after that, basically this is how you basically get this free RON. And after that, you have to know that there's 1 billion worth of RON tokens for the max supply, and right now they are going to supply 100 million of worth of RON itself for 90 days for this liquidity mining thing. So over here, if you are interested in getting this RON token itself, you only can get it via this liquidity provider. So of course, you have to understand liquidity provider is not, if let's say you if we head over to the pool, if you put in one to one, basically over here, so you will put in one WAP Ethereum, you will basically have around 29 worth of AXS to put in. And after that, you have to understand the thing called the impermanent loss, and after that, from there it is going to basically you are not eligible to basically redeem the exact same token that you put in the amount itself, because you might earn a little bit more, and after that you will lose a little bit because of this thing called impermanent loss. Therefore, you have to really understand what is this liquidity all about before you provide any liquidity and start farming. So over here, I'm gonna do this short thing talking about why is this a game changer. So over here on my channel itself, I have done the video talking about getting WETH to Ronin without causing a bomb. So over here, this itself, previously before the Ronin, this Katana update has been released. Basically what we are trying to do is to sell our SLP into WAP Ethereum to reinvest into the game to basically buy more XO, and after that, from there issue scholarship. And after that, for people who are really like just wanting to basically cash out your funds, you will be probably using the SLP token, sending it to Binance itself, and after that, from there, sometimes Binance is not working, there is some deposit halt or whatsoever, you can't deposit your funds and you can't sell your funds. Basically, you can't liquidate your money into basically whatever you want to do it. So over here, you can trade SLP to all of these tokens itself. So you can trade with the USDC, and after that you can trade with WAP Ethereum, and after that, from there, right now it is all possible on the Katana update using the decentralized exchange. And after that, I would say this is a game changer. We do not need to rely on the centralized exchange anymore to basically to send in our SLP, and after that, from there, sell our SLP into Ethereum. And from there, if let's say you are using Binance, the method that I've done, basically sending Ethereum out of Binance, and after that, from there, using OpenSea to WAP Ethereum, and after that, sending the WAP Ethereum back to Binance, it's gonna cost you roughly around $60 to do all of that. And after that, with this Ronin, this Katana update itself, we will be spending $0 in fee, literally $0 in fee, because first of all, the Ronin chain itself, they always provide 100 transactions for free every day. And after that, to be honest, whatever SLP you gathered, you can just do a few clicks over here. Just click on one, and after that, from here, just switch this token itself. Once you WAP the token itself, you are basically paying you are paying no fees, exactly zero fees for all of this, and after that from there you can use the warp Ethereum, transfer it to Binance, and after that from there you can basically unwarp the Ethereum if you want to. And after that, if you, let's say you do not want to have warp Ethereum, you can sell it to USDC, and from there you can use you can deposit the USDC into Binance. If I'm not wrong, they do support it. And after that from there you can buy whatever coins you want, and after that you can cash out if, let's say, you are using the peer-to-peer option as well. So over here we're going to talk about my opinion and thoughts about this. So over here, my opinion and thoughts about the farming itself. If, let's say, you guys are really keen to get this Ron itself, you can do it definitely. And after that, from there, you have to really understand what is this liquidity providing means. And after that, from there, what is your cut for all of this? Because to be honest, every transaction done with the DEX itself, there's going to be a small transaction fee. And after that, trust me, the transaction fee is going to be issued back to those who are providing liquidity. Like, if, let's say, what do I mean by providing liquidity? So if, let's say, you are doing this itself, and if, let's say, somebody trade AXS to warp Ethereum itself on the chain on this swap feature over here, basically there's going to be a portion of fees sent into the liquidity provider pool. Basically it's a transaction fee, or you want to call it a trading fee. Basically the fee is going to be distributed out to all of the shareholders on the pool itself. If, let's say, you put in 1 Ethereum, you are getting like 0.03% of the shared pool, and after that from there, the percentage, whatever fee is generated through this liquidity pool itself, you will have access of this amount of fees. And after that, over here you can of course generate the free Ron, the token itself, which is totally free right now. Basically 90 days of farming, you can do it. And after that from there, for swapping itself, I would say game changer. You can swap whatever you want with the Katana update, and after that I would say that this is freaking awesome. I do not need to basically waste money on transaction fee anymore. And after that, this really help out, because right now the transaction fee on Ethereum itself is crazy because of Shiba Inu. And after that, I would say that yes, the meme coin is fueling the future of cryptocurrency. And after that, right now, basically I've come to the end of the video. Before we end the video itself, I would like to introduce you to this scam that is ongoing. Right, so there's a scam ongoing on Binance Smart Chain or whatever smart contract platform, and trust me, if, let's say, the Ronin, this Katana update itself eventually become mainstream, just by right now it is only a decentralized exchange on the Katana on the Ronin network with this Katana update. In the future, if, let's say, people want to build some products on the Ronin network itself, and after that from there, it's going to be a smart contract platform already, and of course from there people may able to issue their own token on the Ronin network itself eventually. This scam is always going to happen because of this of course of the cheap fees that is ongoing. So if you want to know more about it, just head over to airdropscams.com, and after that from there, the scam is about an airdrop that you receive randomly, and after that from there you might be thinking like, oh, $5 up to $40,000 worth of free tokens itself. You will want to cash it out, liquidate it, and eventually if you try to liquidate it, and after that you just do the step by step and everything, because you are greedy. Basically they manipulate you to basically sell off your token and follow the instruction without thinking so much, because it's free money. And after that you want to liquidate it, and you might be thinking, hey, they can't steal my money, but you are wrong, because once you follow all the steps itself, and eventually whatever you've done is not able to liquidate the money, the next thing you know is all your funds being transferred out of your wallet without your permission. So if you do not want to become a victim of this, kindly head over to airdropscams.com, and after that understand how does this scam work, and after that from there you can prevent it, and after that share it with your loved ones. And of course I'll see you on the next video. So if you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.